Okay, topic 19 is on using inverse trig. So make sure you've printed out the page. I'm going to do the top three. You'll have to do the bottom three. So we're basically using SOHCAHTOA, but this time we're finding an angle. Anytime we're using an angle, trying to find an angle, we need to use the inverse function, which usually means pushing like second or shift on your calculator to calculate it out. So I look at what I'm given. Right here, I've got the 15 and 19. This side is the hypotenuse. This side is opposite. Adjacent is the side that touches the angle. That's not the hypotenuse. So I've got adjacent and I've got the hypotenuse. So I'm going to use cosine. So remember SOHCAHTOA. So cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. So it's cosine of x is equal to the adjacent side, which is 15, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 19. Then to solve this, what I'm going to have to type in my calculator is cosine inverse, so that's doing shift or second, then 15 divided by 19. So some of your calculators will do 15 divided by 19 first, then hit shift cosine. And that will give you your angle. So you have to know how you work your calculator. If you don't know how to work your calculator, come in and I will help you with it. For this next one, I've got the opposite side. This side's the hypotenuse, which makes this one the adjacent. So I've got opposite and adjacent. That's tangent. So tangent of x is equal to the opposite side, which is 5, over the adjacent side, which is 7. To undo tangent, I do tangent inverse of 5/7. Do that in calculator, get 35.54 degrees. For this last one, got my angle right here. I've got the opposite side, and I've got the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, that's sine. So sine of x equals 17 over 21. And it's sine inverse of 17 over 21. Do that on a calculator, you get 54.05. Okay, make sure you get these guys copied down, and then you do the ones underneath.